Till now we have covered with all types of operators in C language. So now we will be learning about the operator precedence and the associativity. So what the term operator precedence and operator associativity means. So firstly we'll see about the operator precedence. तो अगर किसी एक्सप्रेशन में एक से ज्यादा ऑपरेटर है, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर देर आर टू ऑपरेटर प्लस एंड स्टार, सो दो में से कौन सा ऑपरेटर पहले आपको करना है उसको बोलेंगे हम ऑपरेटर प्रेसिडेंस. सो फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड यू मस्ट बी नोइंग द बॉडमास रूल. बचपन में आपको बॉडमास रूल पता है. जो बताता है कि अगर कोई मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन है तो आपको पहले क्या करना है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल पहले ब्रैकेट्स करना होता है, आफ्टर दैट प्रायोरिटी गोज टू मल्टीप्लीकेशन डिवीजन एंड आफ्टर दैट प्लस एंड माइनस साइन. सो सेम वो जो रूल था दैट इज एक्चुअली द ऑपरेटर प्रेसिडेंस. But in C language there are many operators like relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators and so on. So किसी एक एक्सप्रेशन में ऐसे बहुत सारे ऑपरेटर अगर आते हैं तो आपको किस ऑर्डर में उसको सॉल्व करना है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द ऑपरेटर प्रेसिडेंस. So this is about the operator precedence. In this lesson we will learning about the order of precedence of all the operators. And next come what is order operator associativity. So consider this example here. So अगर एक एक्सप्रेशन में सेम प्रेसिडेंस के बहुत सारे ऑपरेटर्स हैं, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन को सेम प्रेसिडेंस है, दोनों को भी सेम प्रायोरिटी है, और ऐसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन एक एक्सप्रेशन में बहुत सारे बार अगर आते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे है मल्टीप्लिकेशन 2 बार है और 1 बार डिवीजन है, लेकिन ये तीनों भी ऑपरेटर एक्चुअली दोनों भी ऑपरेटर को सेम प्रेसिडेंस है, देन विच ऑपरेटर टू सॉल्व फर्स्ट. Here come the rules of associativity. So अगर एक ही प्रेसिडेंस के नंबर ऑफ ऑपरेटर्स है तो कौन सा ऑपरेटर पहले सॉल्व करना है, ये बताता है आपको ऑपरेटर associativity. So operator associativity can be left to right or right to left. सो जैसे कि मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन में मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेटर्स के लिए एसोसिएटिव होती है लेफ्ट टू राइट. दैट मीन्स अगर सेम प्रेसिडेंस के ऑपरेटर है तो उनको लेफ्ट टू राइट सॉल्व करना है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्टली हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6 करेंगे, बाद में that value divide by 10 करेंगे and after that into 8. So this expression with the rule of precedence and the rule of associativity we will solve like this. So plus operator is having the least precedence in this expression, so it will not be solved first. Firstly this 4 into 6 will be solved, which gives you value 24. After that this 24 will be divided by 10, which will give you value 2 according to integer arithmetic. We know that in C language 24 divided by 10 will be equals to 2 and not 2.4. So this 2 will then multiplied by 8 which will give you 16, and after that this 16 will be added with value 20 which will give you value 36. So this is about what is mean by operator precedence and associativity, and with these two rules any expression can be solved whether it contains any type of C operators like relational, logical and so on. So now we will see how the operators are preceded, or now we will see about the operator precedence. All the operators of C language, how they are preceded. So let us see the chart for operator precedence and the associativity. So we know that in C language there are multiple type of operators like arithmetic operators, relational operator, logical operators, bitwise operators, and so on. So if the expression contains number of type of operator, then this chart shows how that expression will be solved or which operator to be solved first. So let us see the chart for this operator precedence. So first order or the highest priority goes to these operators, out of which this is a bracket operator. So bracket is having the highest priority, and these operators are actually new to us, and we will be discussing these operators in the section of arrays and structures. So these operators is having the highest precedence. Then next priority or next precedence goes to the unary operators. So all the unary operators are solved after these type of operators. So all the operators is having the same priority, but if an expression contains more than one of these operators, then the expression will be solved from right to left. That means associativity for the unary operator is from right to left. That means unary operators will be solved from right to left and not from left to right. So this is a different type of associativity for the unary operators. Then next comes in the category of operator precedence is the member access operator, which is there in the structures of C language. Its associativity is also from left to right. After that comes multiplication operators. So that means multiplication, division, and the modulus operator. So this fourth priority or fourth order of precedence is for the multiplication operators, and its associativity is from left to right. Next order of precedence goes to the additive operators, that means plus operator and the minus operator, and both operators having the same precedence with associativity left to right. Next comes shift operator, which is left shift operator and the right shift operator. Its associativity is also from left to right. Then comes relational operators, so which is less than equal to, greater than, and greater than equal to. So they are all having the same precedence, and its associativity is left to right. Next order of precedence goes to equality operator, which is equal to and the not equal to operators, and its order of associativity or its associativity is left to right. Next order of precedence goes to bitwise and after that bitwise XOR, which associativity is from left to right. Next order of precedence goes to the logical operator. So first precedence goes to logical and next is logical or operator, and the associativity for both of these operator is left to right. Then next comes the conditional operator, whose associativity is from right to left. That means this conditional operator will be solved from right to left, not from left to right. After that, next precedence goes to all the assignment operators, which is equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, and the modulus equal to. And the associativity for the assignment operator is also right to left. That means these type of operators will be solved from right to left. And the last type of and last precedence goes to the comma operator, which will be solved from left to right. So let us solve this expression using the rule of precedence and associativity. So see here, this is the complete expression which we want to solve, and there are actually two brackets. So out of two bracket, always the innermost bracket will be solved first. That means firstly this bracket will be solved, and here there are again number of operators. Not equal to is there, that means inequality operator, this is relational operator, and this is a conditional operator. So out of which precedence goes to the relational operators. So अगर हमने पीछे वाला जो टेबल देखा था, so वो टेबल में अगर आप रेफर करते हैं तो precedence, out of this precedence goes to the relational operator. So therefore this 2 less than 5 will be solved first, which will be equals to true. That means value will be equals to 1. So result of this expression will be 1. Now next precedence goes to the inequality operator, that is not equals to. So therefore that operator will be solved first. So therefore then next condition becomes, now the expression becomes 1 not equal to 1. So this will be the next expression. Hence the result of this will be equals to now false. 1 not equals to 1 will be equals to false. So that means result of this complete expression now is equals to 0. That means false. And now the conditional operator, that is 0 question mark 20 colon 30 will be solved. And in the conditional expression, in the conditional operator, we know that if this value is false, 0 means false. So if this value is false, then the expression after colon will be returned. That means result of this complete expression will be equals to now 30. So this is 0, means this condition is 0, that is this condition is false. Therefore output of this conditional operator will be equals to 30. So hence this will be equals to 30. And now the expression becomes this 5 greater than 8 question mark 10 colon. So the value of this will be equals to 30 now. And now this expression will be solved. And again here two operators are there, conditional operator and the relational operator, out of which precedence goes to the relational operator. Hence this 5 greater than 8 will be solved first, which will be equals to again false. So as this is false, this conditional operator will return value again 30, and hence the result of this expression will be equals to 30. And this is how the complete expression will be solved. So let us see the result of this expression practically. So this is the same expression which I have explained to you just now. So let us run the program. So see here, the output is 30. So this is how any expression containing multiple operators will be solved in C language. So this is all for now. In the next lesson, we will be coming up with new learnings. Thank you.